NBA Draft 2027 and 2028 future superstars to watch. The future of the NBA is already taking shape, and the 2027 and 2028 NBA draft classes could feature some of the most exciting young basketball talent of the next generation. Scouts, analysts, and basketball fans are already keeping a close eye on the rising prospects from these classes. Their athleticism, scoring ability, playmaking, defense, and overall potential could eventually make them major names in the NBA. The 2027 draft class is attracting plenty of attention, while the 2028 class could also become a fascinating group to follow as these young players continue to develop and improve their games. Of course, there is still a long road ahead. These prospects will need to continue developing their shooting, ball handling, decision-making, defense, physical strength, and consistency. But if they keep progressing at the right pace, some of them could eventually become NBA stars. That is what makes the NBA draft so exciting. A young player who is relatively unknown today can become a franchise superstar just a few years later. The next generation is coming, and the 2027 and 2028 NBA draft classes could be loaded with future stars. So, which young players will rise to the top? Who will become the next NBA superstar? And which prospects will eventually hear their names called on draft night? The future of the NBA starts now. Basketball Fire.